హలో హలో సార్ అమరాన్ దగ్గర ఉన్నాం సార్, వచ్చేస్తున్నాం. అమరాన్ లేదు, ఇంక బయలుదేరలేదు, వస్తున్నాము. మీరు రెడీ, మీ దగ్గర రెడీ ఉన్నారా? నమస్కారం అండి.
Of Amravati. I happen to be his vision partner in this project. Thank you. And sunrise.
Good afternoon to everybody. We are meeting continuously for the last 3 days. Davos is only for networking and communication, what we are going to do. Either company or government, for that matter, even NGO. I am very happy to introduce myself as Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, which is a new state. I was Chief Minister. State was bifurcated into 2 states. Now I am representing original state, 60% of that state. But we are in crisis. My friend created me. He has thrown me in crisis. But I have to convert crisis into an opportunity. We are in the mood now. We are working. Lot of opportunities, friends. India is moving fast. Even IMF yesterday released the report. Only the country which is going to grow another 2-3 years, 7.5%. If you do well, India will grow at the rate of 9-10%. Even my friend Kamalana will cooperate, and government of India will act, then it will happen. 10% or 11% also. Even otherwise also India will grow 7.58%. This is the biggest growth. Global, you are seeing there is a slowdown. Even mood of the Davos, I am seeing, I am coming here for the last so many years, 12th time. This time there is little bit slowdown even in Davos activities also. But it is a continuous effort. I am requesting all of you, there are excellent opportunities in Andhra Pradesh. Our government is a pro-government, ease of doing business, we are number 2, even in spite of problems. And also we are power surplus state, water, power, infrastructure, I can provide you land, all these things we can provide for you. And also we are having excellent opportunity, Amaravati. We don't have capital right now. For few days I was in bus to run the government because of lack of infrastructure. But we are working in a big way. I have given a call to my farmers. We don't have money. You join with me. It is a win-win situation. Under land pooling, we are able to procure nearly 35,000 acres of land. Here in India, so many problems. In spite of that, we are able to procure. It is a very good place, Krishna River. 30 kilometers, both sides will have a waterfront. I want to create one of the most beautiful city, blue-green city. Even in India, we are having cities, they are all renovated or expanded. Even I have done one city, Hyderabad. We had two cities, Hyderabad, Secunderabad. I added one more city that is Cyberabad today. That is the most powerful, and also Hyderabad is knowledge economy totally. Now we are building Amaravati. Our friend from Singapore is working, and London is working. Even recently our Prime Minister and also British Prime Minister also agreed to support us. Even Singapore, they prepared the master plan details. Now so many governments are showing interest, but we don't have money, but we are having ideas. Sometimes idea will change totally. I am totally confident money will come. I wanted to build one of the most beautiful city, top 10 in the world, it will be one. I don't have any doubt about it. It is a rare opportunity to construct a capital, that to greenfield capital. I am requesting all of you, it is good for you. In the process, it will help me. Everybody has to start one venture in Andhra Pradesh, then you will see the difference. You have a luck also. So you come, you do business with us, we are with you for win-win situation. Not only one side I cannot do business, both sides we have to do the prosperity. If you come and invest, automatically I will get employment and also I will get revenue from investment. Same time you will also get good profits. So friends, I want to tell so many details. We are all eating mood. Even Kamal has stopped eating. Now he has stopped eating. Listen me. I don't detail further. We will meet again and again. We will work together. This is one state I am assuring you, wonderful state, totally 974 kilometers, sea coast. Sea is very convenient for high draft. And also we want to make Andhra Pradesh the logistics hub for Southeast Asian countries. Manufacturing, knowledge economy, you name any economy, all possibilities are available. I request all of you to cooperate with me for building Andhra Pradesh. This is my request. Thank you. Thank you.
Friends, I can only endorse one thing. There was a power project in Andhra. For 17 years, no one could complete it, including the government as well as the National Power UK. 6 years back, I took it over with the support of our Chief Minister. I am glad to inform you that last month, we commissioned it and we are running at 103% PDF. Thanks to Chandrababu Naidu. So this was a good evidence that his state is moving forward, and you should have no doubt in investing. His support is fully there. And I am confident that Amaravati will really move well. Now we have another tycoon here, Anil Agarwal. Will you please join us? Because he can also be with you.
Sir, I can add one thing more about our Chief Minister. Going back several years ago, the Chief Minister has a special power of, his credentials. He brought all the American multinational companies in information technology in Hyderabad. We brought John Hopkins to come to Hyderabad for hospital management program. So he's a man who likes to welcome and keep his promises and implement, which is rarely you find in any politicians. Thank you very much.